Hello dears, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys doing great. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, we are going to learn how to join two shapes with Shape Builder. First, we need to draw. So I'm going to draw this rectangle shape. Draw this triangle. Get the move tool to select the shapes. Then from this toolbar, I'm going to click on Shape Builder tool. To join these two shapes, I can just drag from here to join it like this, or from here. If I hold Alt key, I can remove the shape. You can remove this. All the shape, or I can join it like this. So this is how we can join two shapes with Affinity with Shape Builder tool. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads in our channel. Take care and goodbye.